How to fix Windows 11 virus and threat protection on the Start Actions. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So the first step on today's video would be going to System Configuration. So for that, search for MS Configuration. This will open the system configuration and from there select Boot. Now from the boot option, select on Safe Boot and click on Apply and OK. Once this is done, your device will be restarted. After the restart, the next step would be going to File Explorer. From there, click on the three dots and then go to Folder Options. From there, go to View, and then from there you have to select Show Hidden Files and Folders. Once this is done, let's move on to this PC. Under this PC, go to Windows C and then into Program Data. After that, you have to click on the Microsoft folder and then search for Windows Defender. Click on Windows Defender and then search for the folder called as Scans. Under Scans, you will find a section called as History. Double tap on the folder. Under it, except for the Cache Manager, delete all of the other folders permanently. Now, after this is done, you have to again go to the configurations of the system and turn off the safe mode. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.